drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would've thought I'd get you?
Well, hi guys, I just finished straightening my hair and I did bangs, natural hair friendly bangs. They're not completely bangs, but they're bangs. You can see a little bit, but you'll see the whole thing when I unwrap this bandana off my head. I'm so excited. I'm about to unwrap this bandana. Well, I'm standing in front of my window, the sitting room window, because it is cloudy and the sitting room light isn't that bright. But you know, let us see if it's a hit or miss. Okay, I'm so nervous and excited. Well, here's the finished product, guys. I am so happy. Ever-friendly bangs. Don't play with her. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm gonna do the how I grow my hair tutorial or hair tips kind of thing, so tune in into the next video because I'm gonna show you what I do to grow my hair. Definitely, yes. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Bye guys.